welcome back to another tutorial video. Oh my god, so today we are doing miracle knots or boho braids. I don't know, I think it's been called miracle knots now, and I'm showing you guys how to achieve this hair without having to break the bank. You know, over here we do not break the bank, just look good. So today I'm making this miracle braids with a synthetic hair. And first of all, you need to get mini braids on. You can go to a salon if you can't braid on your own. So I'm using these braids that I got from the local store for 5,000 naira each. So both of them cost me 10,000 naira. So I'll just go ahead and do the back of my hair because I could show you guys better how to do it from the front. Now to the front part of the hair. If you notice, I braided my hair all the way down and left just a little bit and then twisted that part. Now all we need to do is making our hair one part. You add your braiding hair to your hair like I just did, and you begin to braid all the way down. So your hair is one part and your braiding hair is your 2 and 3, and you just go 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Now I would do this until I reach where my hair stopped, and then I will do a little twist. Now this is because I did not want to have so much difficulty when it comes to loosening this hair. I wanted my hair to be very full. That's why for each hair I did 3 strands plus the braiding at the end. That's 4. For most videos that I saw on the internet, they had just about 2 strands and then 1 braided to the tip, but I did 3 because I wanted a really full hair. 2-pack was not almost enough because I had like 3 or 4 parts of my hair that needed extra hair, and luckily for me, I had a very similar hair somewhere in the house, and I had to use that to complete the hair. So I do 1 in the middle, 1 close to the end, and 1 at the roots of my hair. This is how I achieve it, and I'm going to repeat this process one more time. Pick up 1 braiding hair, pick up your hair, and begin to braid. I think this is one of the easiest hairstyles that are out at the moment that I think anyone who wants to make their hair should do. And if you've reached this part of my video and you're enjoying what you're seeing, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to kind of keep the family growing and improving. So back to our video. Braid your hair down and use a crochet pin to crochet in the rest.
I said 5 in the morning, I wake up to 5 for my earnings. Fear in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day. I tried to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. I tried to get by, but I'm burning. I'm behind, my mind it runs.
I didn't complete this video the same day I made this hair. Now this is 2 weeks, oh no, a week after, not 2 weeks, because I went on a vacation the next day, and this was when I came back. I decided to show you guys the complete look of the hair, and you can see how full and beautiful this hair looks, and its maintenance is also very easy. Now if you're thinking of how to style this hairstyle, I made a couple of videos on Instagram and TikTok, and I'll be leaving the link to my Instagram and TikTok if you want to watch and see my other hair videos, because I have more videos over there. Yeah, and this hair was very beautiful. The maintenance is also very easy, and you can just enjoy the rest of the video to see me happily rocking the hair. And see you guys next time. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like the video. Bye.
I really need my now, yeah. This is the piece that you cannot buy. Send me in love that you cannot mix. One is the joy that you cannot